The Owen James Report is
brought to you by JMMB. If you're serious about saving, you deserve JMMB.
If you're serious about saving, JMMB is where you need to put your money.
So what about my bank?
When you invest with JMMB, you earn higher rates, pay a lot less fees, and your money grows faster.
3 times faster.
And we'll work out the best plan for you, and we'll help you to stick to it. For the last 19 years, we have had many people make good money and achieve their goals by investing their savings with us. It's what we do. If you're serious about saving, you deserve JMMB.
Good evening. This is the Owen James Report. The Grace Kennedy Group is moving closer to its target of making 50% of its profit outside of Jamaica by the year 2020. It's now earning 37% of such profits at this time. It appears to be closing in fast on the 50% target, what with today's revelation by CEO Don Webby that Grace Kennedy is acquiring the operating assets and brand of a top Hispanic company, Lafayette Foods Incorporated, for $26 million. Now, the 26-year-old Lafayette Foods is the top Hispanic brand for frozen foods in northeastern United States, and its acquisition gives the Grace Kennedy Group its own platform to grow in North America. Grace Kennedy's CEO Don Webby is already describing the acquisition as a huge move, as Lafayette has strong business ties with leading American stores such as Walmart and Winn-Dixie. Webby notes that the Caribbean market in the United States spends about $500 million on food, while the Hispanic market spends about $5 billion, making a fusion of both a huge potential for Grace Kennedy's thrust into that market. The move has necessitated some senior management changes. Mike Ranglin, who is the CEO of GK Foods Division, will spearhead the North American thrust as president of Grace Kennedy Foods USA and will be based in New Jersey, while Ryan Mack, who is deputy CEO of Grace Foods, will have oversight for Grace Foods and Services and Manufacturing. Now, Mrs. Andrea Coy will have oversight responsibility for the high-low supermarket chain and world brands. Now, here's what happened today on the Jamaican foreign exchange market. The benchmark American dollar strengthened against the Jamaican dollar, while the Canadian dollar held firm and sterling weakened. The average selling rate for $1 is now $112.72, a gain of 12 Jamaican cents. However, the Canadian dollar held firm at $106.07 Jamaican. The British pound sterling strengthened by 97 cents Jamaican to close at an average selling rate of $192.53 Jamaican. News on the Jamaican stock market now, where losses by Lime, NCB and Scotia Group helped to trigger falls in the indices today. The main JC index fell by 346 points, or 0.5%. 20 stocks traded, with 6 advancing, 7 declining and 7 holding firm. The winners included JMMB, Lasco Distributors and Lasco Manufacturing, the 2 big winners, and Sagicor Group and Scotia Group. The losers included Grace Kennedy Hardware and Lumber, Kingston Wharves, Lime, NCB and Scotia Group. 7 years after it started as a small technology services outfit, on Wednesday, T-Tech Services launched its updated managed IT services at a function at 69.5 Harbour Street in Kingston. The company is truly a success story in Jamaica's IT sector. Here's T-Tech's founder and CEO, Teddy Alexander.
And the services that we offer range from infrastructure support and management through service desks, IT security, unified communications, including PBXs, and now most recently cloud migration services. It's a pretty wide range. And we're unique in that we're a company that really just focuses on providing these managed IT services. Industries, our customers span several industries. We have customers in distribution, financial services, retail, government, manufacturing, education, and maritime services.
Now finally, in our business intelligence feature, we close with a feel-good story on the power of social media. When young businesswoman Danielle Terrelong Irons heard of the drinking water plight at the Ojr July Hospital in Kingston, she posted it on her Facebook page. The end result was that over 50 Jamaicans responded, sending over 250 cases of water to her office for distribution to Ojr July. Cash donations even came from as far away as Sweden, and local bottled water giant Pete Bottling matched the contributions of all those who sent in bottled water. Now, when Jamaicans are good, we're really good. And that's the Owen James Report. Good evening.
The Owen James Report was brought to you
by JMMB. If you're serious about saving, you deserve JMMB.